Now what's included in the box is a sleeve including a reference and warranty guide, the USB-C to USB-C charging cable, accompanied by the 10-watt wall adapter, but the included cable is much shorter than what was given with the Quest 1. Now Oculus has probably done this to cut costs down on the headset, along with make you want to spend money on their official link cable, but there are plenty of third-party alternatives that work. Along with that, we do have the plastic glasses spacer that allows those who wear glasses to wear the headset comfortably. And the updated controllers that have the new slightly off-white Oculus look. It seems that Oculus has decided to go back to some of the old Oculus Touch design seen with the release of the CV1, but also has the modern look of the recent Oculus Touch design released with the Quest 1. The wrist straps were also changed to a rope instead of the thin premium leather on the Quest 1 to probably cut down on costs, but honestly I believe that the new straps are better as you don't get them tangled and twisted like the old ones. The new controllers have also seemingly grown in size so they can accommodate those with bigger hands. The haptics in the controllers have also been improved, along with battery consumption, as I've now been able to play VR for a couple days and have yet to see the included AA's drop from 100%, which is really good. Considering with the Quest 1 you would have to change the batteries probably weekly, depending on how much you played. And the headset itself, which has a whole new list of upgrades and features that we will get into, but first let's check out the default head strap Oculus has included. It is made out of some kind of stretchy fabric, and it isn't the comfiest thing to wear on the head after a while of playing. And honestly, it seems like it's another design to cut costs of the headset so it can be priced the way it is. I'd also like to add that it is a little awkward to adjust to fit your head, and just isn't the best strap there is on the market. And with that being said, modders have found ways to make the default strap comfortable by adding pads to the back and 3D printing add-ons to make it similar to the Halo strap design seen on the PSVR and the Rift S. And another solution to this issue is just going ahead and buying the Oculus Quest Elite strap with or without the battery in the back. In a later video, I will be reviewing the non-battery version of the Elite strap to see if that one is really worth the $79 Canadian dollar or $49 US dollar price point. But now what you have all been waiting for, the headset itself, with the brand new and powerful Snapdragon XR2 chip powering the Quest 2 and a whopping 6 GB of RAM. Now with this extremely fast processor in the headset, it allows you to play VR with virtually no lag at all, even while recording gameplay, which is good for those content creators out there. Now with the Quest 2, Oculus has ditched the dual OLED screens for a single LCD display that has 50% more pixels. That means a resolution of 1832 by 1920. That's an almost 4K display, or almost 2K per eye. And also this new display gives it the ability to increase the refresh rate from the Quest 1's 72Hz to a 90Hz display, meaning smoother motion and less motion sickness. And the brand new display has also gotten rid of the dreadful screen door effect, which means smoother graphics and ability to read text and fine print easily. But unfortunately, as of now, at launch, the Quest 2 is still running at 72Hz. But Oculus has stated that the headset will change to 90Hz with a later update. The built-in speakers have also received an update that delivers cinematic 3D positional audio, similar to what the Rift S has. Now, everything I've just talked about with the headset are mostly pros, but let's shine some light on some of the cons of the headset. Most prominently being Facebook and how you are forced to use a valid Facebook profile, meaning no fake names or troll accounts. This can lead to many people avoiding the headset altogether, as they may have privacy concerns about Facebook and their unusual data collection. And now that that big issue is out of the way, the only other cons I seem to have found on the Quest 2 are the included head strap, which I've talked about earlier, and the included facial interface, as it is a soft foam, but I find it a little scratchy, and since it is foam, it soaks up sweat easily and does tend to get quite hot on the face after a while of use due to not much airflow through the plastic. But that isn't much of a problem, as you can go and buy Oculus's official leather facial interface or any third-party facial interfaces, such as anything from VR Cover or some cheap alternatives from Amazon. The Quest 2's IPD slider now has 3 separate settings. Setting 1 is 58mm, setting 2 is 63mm, and setting 3 is 68mm. So if you've been wanting to get into VR but thought it was just too expensive, now's the time. With the low price of $399 for the 64GB variant of the Quest 2, or if you'd like to get the bigger storage, 256GB, that'll run you $549.99. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.